You ever look at your life and ask, how did I get here? What would life be like had I taken a different road? Have you ever craved adventure? Have you ever wondered what adventure is? Life is the adventure. You may not have seen yourself where you are today 5 or 10 years ago, but all the steps that you have taken and all the choices that you have made absolutely put you where you are right now at this moment. Don't look at other people's success and want that success for yourself. Get out there. Make your own success. Strive to be better than you are now. Take steps to be the person that you always dreamed of being. When I was growing up, I always wanted to go on grand adventures and find treasures at the end of the world. I wanted to make previously unknown discoveries and was fascinated by the adventures and discoveries of hundreds of years ago. I've always loved the great outdoors. I love minimalistic camping and survival, but many people believe you have to travel hundreds or thousands of miles away to have a great adventure. Sure, there are things out there worth seeing, places you have never been or once-in-a-lifetime opportunities, but I can tell you, you can have just as big of an adventure right here at home. Some of the best times of my life were spent camping in God's great outdoors with my 2 sons and going on extended survival camping trips with my brothers. Now that my children are all grown up, I pray I have instilled in my sons that adventure is what you make of it. Adventure is your attitude towards God and nature. God made this world, so why not explore it? Don't tell me that I can't do something, or that I'm not good enough. That will make me try even harder and be more determined to accomplish my task. In my lifetime, I have been told, no, you can't do that, or you're not good enough, and have had doors closed in my face. But I'm here to tell you, when one door shuts, another door always opens. Sure, I have made tons of mistakes in my life, but each mistake, each error in judgment, each setback has led me to where I am today. It's been raining for a couple of days. Everything's extremely saturated, so we shouldn't still have a problem starting this fire. That water, I should never drink that water straight out of the creek like that. Oh my God. Oh God, I wish I had some toilet paper. Would you know what to do? Let me do that again. I'm moving my mouth too much. Now that I have successfully set up camp, it's up to you, not for you, up to you. Hey guys, welcome to a real quick video with Speir Outdoors. All right, we got a chunk of wood. Oh.
Hey guys, I'm Logan.
The real experience of nature is being in what God made, and this is Earth. You live here every day, but you have daily busy lives, and you never really get to experience nature like I did. Today's one of the days that we get to be here on this channel and we experience some good nature. Now, stay with me and we'll be posting some more content soon. Okay.
Making videos of my adventures has been an adventure in itself. On your next great outdoor adventure, always remember that neither the river nor the woods will remember you when you leave, but you will remember them for the rest of your life. Hey Scoop, what do you want to do today?
I don't know, man. Let me think about it for a minute.
Come over to his house and have to do all his daggone chores, I swear. It's hot. No, Scoot, what we really gonna do today?
Let's go fishing.